dinner to be done in the microwave. I just love that little ding that tells me my cancer-causing, radioactive chicken nuggets are ready. But I digress. Now, here we have Beatrice Stockwell as the Drowsy Chaperone, showing you how to screw in a light bulb. Okay.
Have you ever wondered how when you enter a room, light suddenly appears? Well, I have too, and I learned of a new invention called the light bulb. So today, I'm going to show you how to screw in a light bulb. Screw? That sounds so wrong, doesn't it? First, you take the hat off. And then you take the bulb and insert it into the hole. And ta-da! Oh hell, just hire someone to do it.
Well, that sounds about right. I mean, I knew the chaperone wasn't that handy, so I knew this would happen. Anyway, come see HMT's The Drowsy Chaperone at the Spa Little Theater weekend starting October 11th. I better go make sure she can find the door. Ta-ta!